Solved problems. Simple bank reconciliation. The cash book shows a balance of rupees 5,877. Checks issued but not presented for payment 2013. Checks deposited but not cleared up to 31st December 2013 rupees 1,419. Banker had wrongly debited the firm's account with rupees 225, which was rectified only in January 2014. Direct deposit by a customer in bank account of rupees 1,250 omitted in cash book. Bank charges and commission of rupees 1,500 entered in cash book as 500 only. Prepare bank reconciliation statement as on 31st December 2013. Solution. Bank reconciliation statement as on 31st December 2013. Particulars amount. A. Balance as per cash book 5,877. Add. Checks issued but not presented for payment 2013. Add. Direct deposit by a customer not appearing in cash book 1,250. Total 3,263. Less. Checks deposited but not cleared 1,419. Less. Wrong debit by banker in firm's account minus 225. Less. Bank charges and commission rupees 1,500 entered as 500 only minus 1,000. Total deduction minus 2,644. Balance as per bank book 5,877 plus 3,263 minus 2,644 is equal to 6,496. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel Accounts Lobby for various solved problems and lectures on accountancy.